Hey, this is Brian down at Cod Harley-Davidson. In our last video, we went over some upgrades for your motorcycle. Today we're going to go over some upgrades that we already have installed on motorcycles on the floor for you to see, feel, and get a good idea of how it would be on your bike. Let me start with this 2019 Ultra Classic. This 2019 Ultra Classic is one of our demo bikes here at Cape Cod Harley, featuring a Kahuna chrome air intake cover, color-matched mid-frame heat deflector, and chrome floorboard covers. On the inside of the bike, we removed the stock inner fairing and replaced it with a painted inner fairing, in addition to Kahuna grips. Up next, we have a 2019 Road Glide Special in black. This bike here is featured with the chiseled handlebars. Gives you a different riding position, more forward. In addition to that, we added Defiance hand grips. Really set it up nice. On the lower end, we have a low engine guard with the fairing spoiler kit. You can see it here again. Low engine guard with the fairing spoiler kit. A really good look for the 2019 Road Glide. Moving to the rear of the bike, we have a detachable tour pack. Lots of extra space, put your helmet and whatnot. Next up is a 2019 Street Glide Special in billiard blue. This bike features a chrome timing cover, chrome derby cover, chrome oil cover, chrome breather cover bolt, a stage 1 upgrade with exhaust from S&S, and finally Streamliner hand grips. All three of the bikes shown here today are demos down at Cape Cod Harley-Davidson, which means we have them here for you to ride, sit on, or just take a look. We are located just south of the Bourne Bridge, a short ride from Boston, Worcester, Providence, or Provincetown.